Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you that how we can use the sweep feature using multiple trajectories. Normally, we use this sweep feature in CREO only with one trajectory, but in this video, I want to demonstrate that how we can use several or more than one trajectory in this feature. For example, let's say that we have this geometry and we want to use three different curves, this one at the edge, and this one in the middle, and also this one, again at the edge, as the trajectories of this sweep feature. Okay, here when we want to define the trajectories, I can select this one, and then I change the starting point of this trajectory. And if I click on this one, you have to hold the control key. When I hold the control key, you see that this part of the curve is added here, but as the second trajectory here. And this is not right. So if I remove this one, the correct technique or the solution is that you have to click on details, and here again you have to hold the control key, and then we select this one and this one. And you see that all these three parts, they are making our first trajectory. And when I click on OK, you can see that only we have one trajectory here. Again, I click on details, and here I have to click on add. I select this one. Now I am selecting my second trajectory. I have to hold the control key, then I pick up this one and this one. I have to click on add, and now I want to select my third trajectory. So I pick this one and then control key, this one, and lastly this one. Okay, and as you can see here, now we have three different trajectories. The first one, which is written origin here in the first row, is the main trajectories, and this one and this one, they are the secondary trajectories. But in general, we have three different trajectories here, and each trajectory includes three different parts. Now I can click on create a drawing, and normally I can make my drawing here. So firstly I select these 3 points, and these points are their starting point of our trajectories. And then, for example, I can use a circle or a part of circle here. And this is the beginning of our sweep feature. So this is the cross section of the beginning. Okay, and then you see that these sweep features has used 3 different trajectories to make this geometry for us. The last point that I want to mention here is that using multiple trajectories can give us this possibility to control our geometry more easily, and then we can create a precise geometry using these several trajectories.